Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. I like to make affordable makeup and beauty videos. I like to focus on beauty on a budget. And when you do decide to splurge on something and spend a little bit of money, getting the best value for the money you do spend. So if all that sounds good to you, you are in the right place. I've made a lot of videos here recently featuring Dollar Tree makeup, as well as the Leave Beauty from the Dollar General. And I am so excited for today's video because I have waited forever to, first of all, buy these products from the internet and then get these products shipped to my house. It's taken forever, as you can imagine and understand, but I'm so excited to do today's video. And it's actually gonna be broken up into two videos, so this is the first part. This is kind of the haul part of the video, but I just received today my shipment of makeup from ShopMissA. So I'm gonna show you what I purchased from them, so if that sounds good, definitely keep on watching. So if you don't know what ShopMissA is, I know I'm kind of new to it myself. It's been a thing for a little while, but it's a website and they sell a lot of makeup that costs $1. And they have other things too that don't cost $1, that cost more than $1, but they have a lot of dollar products and they have several brands that are featured on there, but kind of the brand I really focused on purchasing from is the AOA brand, or the AOA Studio brand. So I bought enough to do a full face, and I think all the products were $1. After buying a full face of makeup and putting it in my cart, I didn't have like the $35 minimum to get free shipping, and I wanted free shipping, so I added some more expensive items in there. So I'm just gonna show you everything that I bought. I have not even opened up the package yet. So if you wanna see more videos like this featuring affordable makeup and just downright cheap but good makeup, definitely make sure you take just a second and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification. That way you'll be notified when new uploads come up, because YouTube doesn't always show that. Sometimes it's hard to know when an upload goes up, so if you hit that bell, you'll always know. So let's go ahead and get into today's video and let me show you what I bought. So here it is, and it's a good size. I didn't expect it to come in an envelope, so yeah. So I'm gonna open it. Like I said, I haven't opened it. Now I will be doing a full face of this on future videos, so you won't want to miss it. But today I'm just unboxing. Also too, while I'm opening up this package, if you like my makeup look today, it's actually using makeup that is in my current makeup basket. So I will link that video and that whole playlist down below in the description box, as well as my Dollar Tree playlist and all that good stuff. So definitely check out those videos. So apparently also this brand, it's cruelty free. They support animals and they support education. So you don't have to spend a lot of money for products that are A, good, and that B, treat the community with kindness. So, you know, that doesn't always take a lot of money. They're out there, you just have to find them. That's what, you know, that's what we're here for, you know. We try to help with things like that. Man, so I bought the works. I had an eyelash glue fallout, and I'm like, man, I went with everything, didn't I? Usually, you know, I'll use my own glue. Not today. So yes, so the first item that kind of came out is it's the AOA Super Strip Lash Adhesive. It's clear, waterproof, hypoallergenic, no irritation. It's a brush on, which I like. The package says $1.88. I may have paid $1.88 for this. But yeah, that is way cheaper, at least half the price of what you would buy in the store. So, and then I've heard a lot of really great things about these, and I buy at the Dollar Tree. I like the Sassy Plus Chic Beauty Blender sponges personally, and I've been hearing a lot of good things about the AOA Studio one. This is the Wonder Blender High Def Makeup Sponge. It is latex free, and see, it's got that little pointed end. Totally had to get one of those to apply my foundation. So I've been kind of wanting a fan brush, and so I used this opportunity to buy one, and I've heard like great things about all their brushes. Like for the money, they're really good. So I got the AOA Studio F11, and this is like a fan brush. I kind of bought this with the idea that I would use it for powdered highlighter. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this, but I wanted to buy it and try it. So I got that. And then I bought, they were out of the foundation that I wanted to buy. Like they literally had like no colors that would work for me, or even any two that would work for me that I could mix together. So I went with the BB creams, and again, they didn't have the perfect color for me, so I went darker and lighter. So I got two of these. They're the perfect BB cream, skin perfecting and color correcting. I got tan and I got light. So my idea is that I can mix them, or just use one in the winter, one in the summer, and just kind of see. So I bought 2 of those. So I also got the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and I got Banana. So I'm really excited to try this. I have one by Joa that I'm not crazy about. It's actually in my makeup basket this week. And I love Bella Pierre, I think is the name. If this is anything like that, it's a whole lot cheaper. Then I got the AOA Studio Gel Eyeliner, and I got dark brown because I think they were out of black. So I did want to try an eyeliner. I wanted to have that for a full face, so I just got the darkest color I could find. And then I got the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. This is in medium brown. So I also got the Wonder Lip Liner, and this is in Blogger. And then I got a couple lip products. I don't even remember half of what I got, so I'm really kind of relearning it. I got the AOA Studio Wonder Metal Liquid Lipstick. This is in Naughty. But yeah, I've only ever had like one metallic lipstick before. It was by, I think by NYX or Wet n Wild. I just like came across it in the drugstore and thought it was so pretty, used the entire thing up. Kind of similar color to that, I hope it's similar. So this is the Diamond Lip Gloss. This is in Glam. You really can't see as pretty as it is. So here are some swatches. On this side here is the lip liner, and then in the middle is the metallic lipstick, and then the lip gloss, like the top coat lip gloss, is over on this side here. So very pretty. I think I'm gonna really like those. So can't wait to do a full face. And then I got the AOA Studio Loose Pigment. This is in Conjure. It's kind of a purplish color. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, so that is pretty. I don't even know if that's gonna show up on camera as pretty as it is in person. Very pigmented. I took really just very little and put it on, and it's gorgeous. Excited to use that for sure. So I have like a little color switch from the Dollar Tree. I also have made my own as well. And so, but I have not seen another one of these in the Dollar Tree since I bought this one, which was kind of my motivation for making one myself, because they are pretty easy to make. But I did see where they had one for $1 on their website. And so I went ahead and bought one. So it comes in this little container. It'd be really nice for traveling because it's like a lot smaller than the one I have. But I figured might as well pick one up. And so it's just got that texture on it, you know? So I'm very excited to have another one of these. Like I said, this will be really good for traveling. So I'll use it in the full face video. Probably reserve that for traveling. So yes, excited to have another one of those. They were out of like a lot of their eyeshadows, so I kind of just had to like make do with kind of what I could find. So I bought the Wonder Baked Eyeshadow. This is in Poetic. I bought the Amuse Smoky Eyes. This is in Paprika. I will swatch all of these as well. And then I bought that same eyeshadow in Desert. So the top is the baked eyeshadow, and then the 2 bottom ones are those smoky eye eyeshadows. So excited to use those. So then I bought the Lumi Radiant Blush. This is in Ravish. It's really pretty. It's a little shimmery. So we'll just have to kind of see what it's like. Like I said, they were sold out of a lot, so I really but I really wanted a full face, so I really had to kind of make do. And then of course I needed eyelashes, so I bought the AOA Studio Premium Lashes, Natural and Luxurious. They're 3D foam ink, and these are in the style Vanessa. So I'm excited. They look really lush, so I'm excited to try those. Then I got the Natural Finish Liquid Concealer. It's medium to full coverage, and I got the color Buff. So this will be good like with the BB cream to cover like any imperfections. So, and then I got the AOA Studio Perfect Blush, and I may have actually bought this as a bronzer because they were out of bronzer, at least any of the shades I wanted. So I think I bought this blush color to use as a bronzer. This is the shade Pheno. It says Pheno. So yes, I got that to use as a bronzer. And then I think we're down to the couple things that I threw in the cart to get free shipping. And it's so funny because I just did a concept palette video where I featured this Instagram account where the girl Angela makes concept palettes. And I think I was just talking to one of my Dollar Divas about how she said she wished we could make our own palettes. And I think I was saying something like how you can buy these little empty palettes and put your own eyeshadows in them. I think it was actually a kit. So it's got the eyeshadows. I kind of halfway opened it, but it's got 9 eyeshadows. We're gonna go ahead and look at them. But yeah, this is the palette that they will go into. They all come like this, like in little individual things. And this is a kit, so I didn't buy these individually. They came, the 9 of them came together, and then you just put it together. Now they do have these where I think they sell these for $1, and then they get a bunch of other colors. Like I said, this one I bought as a kit. So it comes kind of pressed together like this. And this is the color Perfect. And so then you just pop this out, and I think it's magnetic. Yep, it's magnetic. So you pop it in there and it stays in there. Super cool. So I'm gonna get all of these taken out and be right back. Okay, so this is the date night kit. I have them all in there, and that is what the shades look like. And of course you can like put them wherever you want. So if you're really particular about how you like your eyeshadows organized, you can do that. The kit that I wanted, they were sold out of. I can't remember what the name of it was, but yeah, so that's gonna be really, really fun. And this is a really cool concept. I didn't expect for it to come like that, but I'm glad it did. It was kind of cool. So everything is also packaged all different. Like I can't get into a groove opening up all this stuff. So then this is the 6 color highlight palette. It's Majesty, and it is really, really pretty. You've got like a white, you've got a gold, and then you've got like a soft pink. You've got your kind of bronzy colors, your champagne. So let's swatch. Actually, even prettier than I thought. Some of these might be able to be used as like inner corner highlights and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm very excited to try that. So I think I have more than enough for a full face, and I'm so excited to get that video made and get it up for you all. So definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss me doing a full face with all of this wonderful makeup that is just so affordable, and I've heard so many good things about so many of the products. I'm so excited. I hope you've enjoyed this ShopMissA haul, and if you enjoyed this video, as always, make sure you hit that like button and comment. Let me know if you have tried this brand, if you've ever heard of this brand. I feel like I'm really late to the party in knowing about this brand. So I'm very excited that the shipment came in today. So definitely be on the lookout for the full face and reviews of all of these products. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.